Everybody, welcome back to the channel. I believe the SINTLY fuel line. Do a little bit of unboxing here. 8AN PTFE 16 foot with fittings, wrench, and some pair of gloves. Let's open it up here. Alright, right away, get a pair of rubber gloves. Okay. Here you're going to get your fittings. You get some straights. .45, and you get your little AN wrench, 8AN, another fitting, as well as your nylon line, PTFE. Seems to be pretty good. I'll check it out. It seems to be close to the competitor that Amazon sells. PTFE, got your fittings, got your straights. Again, that's what's included in the kit. Alright, everybody, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Thank you.